Wonder if they're cooking meth.
Meth much?
Yeah. What was your favorite subject at school? Mathematics.
They even got that nitrous cook.
They're ready to cook.
Are we there yet?
Many hours later.
That's in them. That's definitely in them.
Ooh, you see that one?
Yeah, I see it. That's folded. Yeah, I just ran over that.
As you'll see here in just a second, my faithful buddy Derek decided to throw a big clump of weeds down right in front of me as I'm coming in, and well,
Oh,
yeah, you'll see what happens.
Going to that? A little bit. There we go. Oh yeah. Off that rock. Still on it. About 40. Still there. Still there. You know my favorite reach down with the phone logo? Weeds on it. Don't matter. The light's still smooth. Straight on it. Just cast straight. When you burn that in, cast straight out back behind you. Right on. Go for it.
Me?
Yeah, either, it don't matter. Either one of it.
Straight behind you?
Yep.
I'm back.
She was fucking hot, dude. She was hot, dude. You turned her. She went around like 4 fucking times. You don't think that was a 40? No. Maybe 37, 38 at most. Hey. What'd I say about them Revos?
Hey, it's smaller bait, man.
Go ahead and get the.
You see which way she finally turned off?
She went back out the back way.
Go ahead and get this.
You notice she was on the wind zone side? She wanted it.
Yeah, she was hot. I can't believe she didn't take a swipe. That weed fucker.
By the way, there's big boulders right
I
in
know.
front of the boat.
When so if I have to have you turn this off,
Okay.
the con button, just hit it.
Okay.
Because I thought I'd hit the button. I was trying to get us off them rocks at the same time.
Yeah, they're smallmouth rocks. Must be rocks, dude.
So inside turn on the windy side on rock, burning.
Good to see her.
Yeah, it's good to see one, man.
Yeah, it was definitely a ski. It wasn't no stupid
Oh,
bug.
that was a ski.
No, Pike wouldn't have done that. Pike would have went.
On the new Kramer Brothers prototype.
Yeah, I like how you got the smaller one too.
This is the number 9.
Oh, is it? Man, it looks smaller than I was throwing.
No, same size.
Same size, yeah.
Black and silver.
That's good. I kind of like that color. Good to see one.
I moved first fish out of the back of the boat. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
There's a waller there. I guess since all the action's in the back of the boat, I can angle the camera back there a little bit more.
Got him! Got him!
Watch me run up a fucking 53 off this fucking little swing bit.
I'm so pissed. I don't even know if I want to go back on that fish.
Fuck that.
Water tastes like shit. No, it's actually not too bad. It just tastes like cold water.
Ooh, that nice little nest of pot. Guess I'll be going to the right of it or whatever.
I think those rocks on top of it are intentionally stuck like that.
That's Blair Witch shit.
Yeah. A rock stacker does not stack rocks in that way.
Who would stack pizza boxes like this? A pizza box stacker that's not stacking pizza boxes. He's leaving clues. It's an arrow.
Fucking. Probably a familiar sound for you.
You would know, sweetie.
He didn't spit.
You ever been waterboarded?
No.
That's right. It's
No,
fun.
no, thanks. I'll pass. Thanks for asking. I appreciate that. Candor. Got me.
A little bit.
You forget we're fishing Lake of the Woods. It takes more than a little fucking line tap of muskie fishing to get you. Yeah, a little one. I guess.
There's a bite.
Swing out here.
This is about where his dad hooked that mega giant.
Yeah.
Man, just imagine how
What
big
about like the one sitting under the bottom of the boat right there?
imagine how big she'd fucking be.
Got a couple. Got a pilot fish with her.
Mama and Junior.
Hey, let go. Let go, man. Let go. That's mine.
Oh, I got it.
Fucking amateur hour here.
I got Schmidt casting every 3 feet down the bank.
Yeah. That's the educational topic for tomorrow. For Getting Crushed TV. Leaving your friends these places to cast. Look at that. Look, 2 feet. Bam.
I can't cast any fucking further than that. That's the longest I can cast.
No. That way.
Where? I'm not. I can't reach the shore.
You don't have to reach shore. This ain't Wisconsin.
It's worthless for me.
We
It's
might need to
worthless.
back out. Look at that. There's another grip mark right there.
Oh, there's
Yeah, there it is.
Got her. You don't got it.
Can we grab it? Yeah, you got it. Down on the swim jig. No pliers?
We'll call her 35.
First on the board, baby. On the swim jig. Nicely done.
Good to see another figure hit on the figure 8.
She was hot too. So clearly we should have came to this side. What's funny though is we were all looking at the graph. You just turned.
I just
Ooh,
turned
there's
and saw,
one.
yeah, I just turned and saw the shadow right there.
So clearly black and white and black and nickel seems to be our color right now. And speed is key.
I was burning.
Awesome.
Hey Schmidt, how's that front of the boat treating you? Fuck you.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh, that was good. Very nice.
Hey, Lambert's
Oop, oop, oop.
Oh, man, we are hot. Oh,
Got it.
that's a better one.
Oh
Oh,
Awesome.
that was a little better one.
I think we have a pattern, gentlemen.
I'd say she was getting close to 40.
Hey, did you reach the shoreline with that bucktail? Yes, I did actually.
Did you?
Wow.
Yeah, we're not going back on that other fish.
I love it. You want those in front of the boat there, Schmidt?
Yeah, right.
Dude, she fucking just literally. Dude, I swear she was
Barely
trying. She was
touched.
trying to eat the fucking blade off the back. Bitch. It's alright. She wasn't big.
Better. That was the best one we've seen yet.
That one was pretty comparable to his, I think. Don't you?
I'd say she was
Yeah,
getting
she was
close
40,
to 40.
42, somewhere in there. She was getting there. She's a good fish. Look at all these marks on the graph, though.
Windy side. Wind must have been blowing in on this side.
Man, saw her coming in.
Boy,
That's
they
in
are.
northeast.
And I was like,
though.
I was going like this for.
West.
She hit it
That's
such
west over there.
Is it? Yeah.
She hit it such an inopportune time.
West is a good direction up here.
Yeah. West is good anywhere. Don't
How's
you know
that-
the age-old
how-
saying,
how's
winds
that,
from
Daddy?
the west, the fish bite the best.
You're right. I want wind out of the east, so I get to the tigers bite like beasts.
Yeah.
Okay, Joe. Well, this just got a hell of a lot more exciting.
Thought some guys were coming back at 2.
Fuck you. Still haven't had one eat out there. They've all been boat side, which is cool with me.
Which is Lake of the Woods.
Yeah, it's like,
Dude, I keep thinking when I see them coming in that they're just gonna like spook at the boat like every other fucking
No.
banner
Not
man.
if you speed up. Speed up at the boat
Oh,
always.
I did. She just didn't hit it at the very
No,
opportune
but
time.
as soon as you turn, that was a huge speed increase. You gotta think when you're rolling a bucktail, even burning, you're only going maybe 2-3 mile an hour at most. And then when you make that sudden turn like that and you put in your body behind it, now you're bumped up 4 or 5 mile an hour. That's what, 90% of the time that's when they go nuts. Oh, my reel's getting loose.
yeah. Hey, all three of us had something. That's awesome.
That is awesome.
That's good chemistry. It's good boat chemistry.
Within a few hundred yards.
Yeah. I like that point.
What do you think?
Pretty small fish.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Hey, but they're progressively getting better
Yeah,
as we
right.
go down the shoreline here.
You know what the thing is, though? You know if they're eating, the big ones are eating too.
Yeah, buddy.
Coming in like fucking missiles, man.
She said, I'm ready to eat.
Dude, I couldn't even tell that she opened up her mouth on it because she was still like 2 inches behind it.
I had a good view of it.
Yeah, I had a great view.
Can't believe you lost that fish.
What a rug. Wonder if any of
I
us.
at least convinced mine to eat.
Shep had a...
What are you talking about?
I'm talking doe dick back there.
Yeah. Shep had to hand land his. He's gonna troll along like this.
Yeah. Hey, man, the way they're coming in the boat, that probably ain't a bad idea. Just let us bring them into it.
Now we'll corral them for you, Caden.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh. Cookie?
Obviously, if it kicked it, it would have been in here.
Full update. So far, this has turned into a good trip. Under adverse conditions, we've had 3 fish to the boat. 1 landed, 1 lost, and 1 we don't want to talk about. So, but yeah, so far it's pretty good. It's only gonna get better. We got better weather coming, and that's positive. So we've got a pattern now. 1 fish is a fluke, 2 fish is a coincidence, 3 fish is a pattern. So we're gonna go find similar spots, which is what you should do anytime. We're gonna go pound them. So far, new Kramer Brothers prototype. Yours is an inhaler, which is another bucktail, modified with a trailer spoon on it, and a swim jig. So there's not a bait pattern yet, except for speed. Speed was a factor in all 3.
Color.
And color, we were throwing dark, yeah. Black and silver. So, you know, we got something going there, but as far as, you know, just it's a bucktail or swim bait or something like that, I definitely lean more towards bucktail because we had 2 on blades, but, you know, speed is the key. So we're gonna move. Let's do it. Well, this might be the last entry for day 1, Lake of the Woods. It's been a grind. We're tired. What do we have, 14-hour drive?
It was 15 for us.
15 for them. We got here with terrible conditions. Post cold front, bluebird skies. I mean, you can see it. We're starting to get some clouds moving in now off behind me, but I mean, it's just been, look this way. It's been that all day. And we've had wind switches. Wind's picked up. It seems like it's starting to die down now looking out over the lake. But we boated 1. It was a water release, but I mean, no sense in netting a smaller fish like that and tearing up fins and stuff. So
opted for the water release. Lost another one. I missed opportunity on one. And we saw a few more. A total of 5 fish move today. You can't really shake a stick at that. Tomorrow we've got another weather change coming. We've got some rain supposed to be here in the morning. Wind change again. It's supposed to change like 2 or 3 more times tomorrow. But wind change I can deal with if we get a little bit of consistency overnight, because then it's going to be a little bit more predictable morning time. And then you can adapt and change from there. But I think we've got a milk run planned out. And we're getting ready to go back on the spot where we moved fish this morning when we got here to close out the night. So if we get anything, we'll bring you that. If not, that's the end of day 1, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be well rested and out here back at it again, ready to rock and roll.